Zendrop versus CJ Dropshipping. Which one is better for dropshipping? Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at the top dropshipping platforms, Zendrop and CJ Dropshipping, and we will be doing a comparative analysis of which one might be the better dropshipping application for you. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, first off, we're going to take a look at the pricing and what are the different resources that both of these are going to provide. Well, Zendrop has a free version where you get access to products and you can source your products. Then you have the monthly version, which is the pro version. And if you build this yearly, it goes down, but if you build it monthly, it's slightly expensive. It starts at $49 per month, where you can have unlimited amount of orders. You have automated fulfillment, US products, express shipping, and custom branding on your products as well. Then you have the plus version starting at 79 cents per month, where you have different other features like custom branding, Zendrop Academy, product bundle, subscription boxes, chargeback management, private product listing, trending product finders, and $100 in order credits. Now, if you take a look at the pricing of CJ Dropshipping, well, CJ Dropshipping is available absolutely for free. Now, depending on the type of things that you might want to upgrade your plan on CJ Dropshipping to get access to more products. However, CJ Dropshipping allows you to browse their product categories for free. There is no kind of sign-up fee or starting fee on CJ Dropshipping. Now, in terms of creating your account, all you need to do on both of these platforms is to simply click on sign up for free or click on sign up on CJ Dropshipping. And after that, you will just have to enter some basic information. So you're just going to enter some basic information and your account will be created. Now, I have already created my CJ Dropshipping account as well as Zendrop. So now I have just logged on to my Zendrop account, and you can simply click on any of these stores that you want to connect. Now, in terms of connectivity, so on Zendrop, you can connect your store to Shopify. So you know where you want to list your product. It could be a Shopify store. You could use WooCommerce or Commerce HQ. Now, this is something that I find Zendrop to be lacking in, although their overall interface is a lot more modern than CJ Dropshipping. But if I go on to CJ Dropshipping and I take a look at my profile over here, or your account, whatever you might want to call it, you can take a look at the different options that they have, and they have a lot more integrations available in comparison to Zendrop. So just to name a few, if we do a quick comparison, for Zendrop, they only have Shopify, WooCommerce, and Commerce HQ, while CJ Dropshipping has Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, WooCommerce, and other integrations as well. So if you take a look at the product section over here, I will show you guys some of the other store authorizations you can do. So you have Shopify, TikTok, eBay, WooCommerce, ShipStation, API, Lazada, Shopee, Etsy, Wix, Shoplaza, Magento, BigCommerce, All Value, and Nuvim Shop. So they have a lot more of a variety in terms of e-commerce integration. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are getting started. Depending on where you have built your e-commerce store, you might want to choose the platform according to that. Now, after that, you are just going to connect your store. So whatever store that you might have, you can simply connect it over here like this, enter the bridge URL, whatever it might be. Now, once you have connected your store, so I'm just going to add that. So now over here, I have linked my Zendrop account to my Shopify store, and that is it. That is all you need to do to get started. So you can simply click on install app over here, and now Zendrop will be added to your Shopify store, and now you can list items directly from Zendrop onto Shopify. It's pretty much the same thing with CJ Dropshipping. You can just go into your My CJ section, click on store authorization, and select Shopify or any other type of store that you might have. And you can click on add store over here. You're just going to click on authorize over here, and then you're going to add the CJ Dropshipping application to your Shopify store. So that is it. That is how simple and easy both of these are to set up. In terms of the overall look of their products, CJ Dropshipping definitely has a more outdated look. I have to agree on that. A lot of people, they just look at CJ Dropshipping and they might think, it doesn't really look that updated. However, their product list is quite enormous and quite updated. In terms of looks and appearances, I definitely do think that the user interface or the UI is a lot better on Zendrop. It looks a lot more comforting and easy to work with. Now, taking a look at the product, which are some of the most essential things out there, because you want to be able to find the best value on your product so you can get the most amount of profits and a reliable seller or supplier as well. Now, both of these platforms vet their suppliers and sellers, so you don't have to worry about any large issues with products, or any of the major changes won't be made on any of the products that you have listed. Now, just as an example, I will search for hoodie, and I will do this on both of these platforms. And once I search for hoodies on both of these, I will just take a similar kind of item. So just taking a look at the overall items that we have, you can see that some of these items are going for around under $20. That's like the average price. It's under $20. Now, if I take a look at the Zendrop platform over here, you can see the price is under $20 as well. So in terms of price comparison or general product, they definitely are neck to neck. They do have quite a large variety on both of these platforms, and you have the product cost. They're pretty similar on both. Now, depending on the type of item that you are looking for, the product cost may vary, but on an average, I have found that both of these have a similar kind of rate for their products. Now, on Zendrop, you also have features like finding trendy products. So that is only available if you actually do have, their premium version, but that is actually a very helpful feature that can help you. But you can do your own keyword research and other types of research to find trendy products for yourself. Now, if I was to do a step-by-step, comparison, as you can see in terms of features, well, Zendrop allows you unlimited orders and unlimited imports to your store, and Zendrop was previously known as Silk Road, so some people might refer to that as well. While CJ Dropshipping also allows you to have unlimited orders and unlimited imports to your store. Plus, in terms of the customer service, Silk Road, or Zendrop as it is currently known, is a lot better than CJ Dropshipping. Plus, there are a lot more US suppliers out there, so if you're looking to establish your business in the United States, this might be a better option for you. Then, if we take a look at the other comparisons, CJ Dropshipping's app is quite hectic. As I told you guys, the user interface is not as friendly as it could be, which can make it a little difficult to navigate through and, list your products effectively, manage your products, or manage your customers effectively. However, on Zendrop, everything is super professional and easy to navigate. It looks very professional, neat, and simple to use. Everything is very, very self-explanatory on their platform. Then in terms of free trials, both of these have a free trial, but in generally, you can find amazing products on both of these. For most people, I would recommend Zendrop as my preferred dropshipping method, although CJ Dropshipping is also amazing and can really service you or fulfill your needs to an adequate level. But I would say that if you're looking for a easy UI and you want to build your business on a very common product, so a common product like hoodies, clothing items, jewelry items, the basic stuff is available all on Zendrop, although there might be a more extensive list of obscure products on CJ Dropshipping. For basic items, you can easily find them on Zendrop as well, and easily be able to manage your business in a cost-effective manner. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.